Okay guys, this is the result. DUI light for the tent, for the awning. It's pretty bright though. It's pretty bright. Yeah, well right now it's scrolling with the bugs right now, but I like it so far. So, and here's the how I did this. Okay guys, today we're gonna put both awning with this LED light. So you know, when camping at night, so we have lights at night. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna put this LED light there with a switch. So let's go and install this. So pretty much you can buy this on eBay like $6, $10. It depends on the length of the LED strip light. So this one's you can cut it. I already cut some, and then yeah, so we're gonna put in the awning. So this one is bright. I already tried it, so let's put it now. So this one has double-sided tape, so we're just gonna peel it, and then we're gonna stick it here in the bottom part. It's gonna be right here. Okay, just stick it there. Make sure there's no dirt or any, you know, make sure there's no dirt, so it will stick real good, just like that. So it's pretty easy to do this. Especially that the tape on this light is pretty sticky, so it will stick really good in there. So we're gonna put all the way there. And then this, we're gonna cut it here because, you know, it's gonna be the end point up there. So let me get the scissors so we can cut it. Now we're gonna drill a hole here for this wire to go there, all the way out there. So yeah. So after we drill a hole there, we're gonna do the wiring. But before we do that, we're gonna do the other one. After that, we're gonna do the switch and connect to the battery or power supply. So yeah, here is the wiring. So this one's gonna be on the passenger side, and then this one too here is gonna be in here. And I already drill and put the LED lights too. So the only thing is that we're gonna connect that, and I'm putting this butt joint connection like this, and then the other one like this too. So yeah, so let's finish this wiring up. So I got this switch, and I drill the hole here. So I'm gonna insert in here, and then this is gonna be for the ground. I'm gonna bolt it here, and then this one I might as well direct to the battery, because the car, you know, if the car is not accessories, it's not gonna work. So might as well direct it to the battery, so just in case, you know. And it just, you know, it just eat a little bit electricity on that that particular LED light, so it's not gonna drain the battery that bad. So yeah, so I'm gonna put this and more connection here, and then we're gonna the other line is gonna be on the battery. So yeah, so let's connect it. Okay, we're gonna connect the positive here and make it tight so it won't get loose there. Okay, we're gonna push this down there. It's a little bit tight there, a little bit more. There you go. So we're gonna test it out. So on, there you go. There's some lights now, and then let's turn it off. Let's check in the other side. Okay, and the same thing too. So there you go, guys. So finally done with it, and it's pretty easy. Just just a little bit. It take me a long time to do it because you know it's wiring, so you just have to be careful with the electronics, electrical or something like that. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this, and don't forget to subscribe so I can make more DIY video like this. So thank you guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. So